Massive decline in investor confidence fueled by negative economic indices helped drag the nation's capital to her knees in the year 2016. Nigeria's stock exchange consequently recorded the worst performance on the global scale, recording a decline of more than 16% year-to-date at the close of last year. Experts on Good Morning Nigeria attributed the slow economic activities being witnessed to tight macroeconomic policies, falling crude oil prices, and exit of foreign portfolio investors.
Fiscal policy cannot be expansionary and monetary policy is contracting. So there is need for the central bank, the CBN Monetary Policy Committee will be meeting sometime this month. There is need for the CBN Monetary Policy Committee to also revisit the monetary policy rate.
If you also look at the performance in terms of foreign portfolio investment, it has fallen for about 52% in the last 1 year. And the transaction generally on the stock market has fallen for about 42%. In other words, because you are operating in a globalized environment, whatever happens around the world also affects your market.
They called for improved investor protection, easy access to credit, improved forex regime, promising liquidity rates, as well as visible interest rates to attract investors into the market that has seen a very low level of domestic participation.
If we want to restore growth in this economy, we must address the issue of both local currency liquidity and foreign currency liquidity. Particularly the one that is within our control is local currency liquidity. We have a situation where a lot of funds are moving away from the vault of the banks to the vault of the central bank.
You want to sell your shares now, you have to send your certificate, it has to be verified, and it is becoming a big issue.
And in the new listing, we have a committee that goes to different companies to try to see how they can get listed and see whether there are disincentives that can be removed for them to be listed on the capital market.
To allow growth, the guests say efforts must be made to restore confidence of investors, and this the Securities and Exchange Commission is doing through improving its direct cash settlement, closed risk-based supervision, access to dividends, and boosting public finance awareness. In Abuja, Aisha Oba Ali, NTA News.